Hello friends. Today, our Chef Afsan has a delicious and powerful recipe for you. Here is a recipe for cactus and fish. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 cactus pads, nopales. 4 fish fillets, such as tilapia or cod. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 lime, juiced. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Prepare the cactus pads. Using a sharp knife, trim the thorns from the cactus pads. Be careful to avoid touching the thorns directly. Rinse the pads under cold water to remove any remaining thorns or debris. Cut the pads into small pieces or strips. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add olive oil. Add the cactus pieces to the skillet and sauté for about 5 minutes until they become tender. Season with salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin. Stir well to coat the cactus evenly with the spices. Continue cooking for an additional 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove the cooked cactus from the skillet and set aside. Season the fish fillets with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lime juice. Let them marinate for about 10 minutes. In the same skillet used for the cactus, heat some more olive oil over medium-high heat. Place the fish fillets in the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they are cooked through and flake easily with a fork. Arrange the cooked cactus on a serving platter or individual plates. Place the cooked fish fillets on top of the cactus. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. This recipe combines the unique flavors of cactus with the delicate taste of fish. It can be served as a main course with a side of rice, beans, or a fresh salad. Feel free to adjust the seasonings according to your preferences. Enjoy your cactus and fish dish.